Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick recording on how to record, save, and submit an audio recording in Blackboard. So first things first, you need to know what you're going to use to record your voice. So the best thing to do is hit REC, find out what recording device you have on your computer. We have a voice recorder on this one. I'm going to click on the voice recorder. There is a microphone here. So I'm going to hit the microphone and I'm going to start recording P-6. Por favor, gracias, de nada, por nada, no hay de qué. I'm done. So now I'm going to save this recording as P-6. So I'm going to right click, rename P-6, and then hit rename. Now I need to find this assignment so I can upload it into Blackboard. So I'm going to right click, open file location. And this is where it's being saved to. I did not set this up and I am not sure who did. So this may be a folder by default. So I'm going to look here to see where it's at. And I know it's in going to documents, sound recording. So I'm going to have to go back here when it's time to upload it, go to documents, and then sound recordings. Okay, now I'm going to go over to submit assignments, preliminares, P-6, browse my computer or my cloud, documents, sound recording, open, and I just did P-6, open, and there it is. And then I'm going to hit submit. And there we are. And let's see if it's here and I can make sure I submitted it correctly. Okay, that sounded good. So I'm going to hit OK. And that is it. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Oh, it just showed that.